Hey guys, Health Coach Shalyn here, bringing you the last part of my 5-part series, Let's Be Smart. And I'm so excited that I have been able to spend time with you over the last 5 installments of my series, talking about how to set goals, how to move forward with what you are endeavoring to do. And it has been wonderful just hearing the feedback from you all and how you all have decided to make the necessary changes in order for you to move forward towards reaching your health and fitness goals. And so we've been dealing with and we've been working with the word SMART, the acronym SMART. We've talked about how to be specific in what we're trying to do, how to move forward, and not just saying, hey, I want to lose weight, okay? Well, what does that mean? To define it. We talked about being being measurable, tracking what you're doing, paying close attention. Let me fix this camera. Let's just keep this real. There we go. Now you're looking better, sweetie. Anyway, we talked about being measurable. We also talked about having our goals to be attainable, something that you can easily keep up with, something that is not going to set you up for failure, that you know exactly what you're doing. We talked about making sure that what you're setting for yourself, that you are doing everything relevant to reach that goal. And today we're going to talk about being time bound. There needs to be a defined amount of time that you are working from your goal from one time to another. It's not an endless ongoing type of thing. It is set up based upon how many weeks. What are you going to do? Are you going to say, I am going to, get the biceps that I'm looking for, the triceps that I'm looking for. I want to get everything I need within 6 months. It's time bound, because then you have a way of knowing how you're progressing, and it keeps in your mind, it just sets up a proper way for you to move forward, where it's not, once again, like some endless, ongoing, consistent thing. That loosey-goosey kind of way of doing things really does set you up for failure. So I want you to think of setting up yourself for success, and make sure that you are being bound by time. You're defining how long you are going to be working towards your goal, and then you put each of these steps in place within that defined amount of time. I just want to end this series by telling you all how excited I am to launch my own practice, my own business. This has been a wonderful journey for me. This has been something that I have been wanting to do. The name of my business, as you know, is Health Coach Shalyn LLC, and it's named after me. I am Shalyn Barr, and I am here to help a defined amount of people that are just everyday people, just like me, that are looking forward to living life with energy and vitality. So there's so many great things that I have for you. I've already written a book for those that are familiar with me as an author. The name of my book is Take Me Off the Wait List. It is available on Amazon as in paperback version, as well as through Kindle as an ebook. I'll put the link in the bottom of this video, and you can go on and purchase that book. And that book is set up where it's a conversation, kind of like how I'm talking to you now. You'll feel as if, is she talking to me? Is she here in the room with me? Yes, I'm very personable. I love to just talk and spend time with people. I never talk down to people. The reason that I've actually kind of created this way of helping people reach their goals is because it's based upon it's something that I needed. It's something that I found to work best for me. Just having someone to talk to, just to be able to say, hey, I'm struggling today, or I had a great day. And that is the basis of my whole business. So yes, I have clean eating challenges. I have accountability clubs. I have blogs, and I have different things, different resources, different avenues. I do direct coaching one-on-one, and I'm so excited about things that will happen. I also reach out and I work in the corporate sector. So yes, so I am a health coach to corporate businesses where I go in and I do different programs to help the corporation as a whole not only become healthy but to bind them even as a company. And it's a great team building effort when you have a set of people that are working towards the same goal. So I look forward to helping you in the near future. I look forward to having you in part of one of my challenges, or maybe working with you directly through one of my coaching packages that I offer. So I hope you have enjoyed the series. I look forward to talking with you. If you would like to email me directly, remember my email address is livewell@healthcoachshalyn.com. So until next time, until I start the very next series, I love you guys. Have a great day. Bye-bye.